Introducing the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus, the ultimate tool for all your restoration spraying needs. The IK Foam Pro 2 Plus is perfect for spraying foaming chemicals often used in mold remediation, fire damage restoration, and medical cleans. It has a surprising amount of useful features all packed into a simple but sturdy bottle. Let's go through all the features that make this sprayer a cut above the competition. The Foam Pro 2 Plus has a newly improved wide and sturdy base, which mitigates the chance of it being knocked over. This is an important feature when handling chemicals. Additionally, indents are placed on the bottle, making it easier for your hands to grip as you unscrew the head of the sprayer. Another handy feature is the included caps that attach to the end of the handle. This is designed to help you color differentiate between what chemicals are placed in each bottle. The IK Foam Pro 2 Plus model separates itself from the base Pro 2 by featuring an inbuilt straighter valve. This valve allows for the air to be pumped in via an air compressor. It also has a safety valve which will release any pressure above 45 psi to ensure that it is not overpressurized. The safety valve can also be pulled on, which releases the air manually. This is recommended when you are finished using the sprayer. We recommend filling the bottle up to 500 ml or just under half to maximize the air pressure and volume in the bottle, thereby increasing the time between pressurization and filling up the bottle. Lastly, the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus comes with 3 different mixer tips, which help vary the type of foam. Initially, the bottle has the grey tip installed for an intermediate amount of foam. The orange tip produces a wetter foam, and the green tip produces a drier foam. To install, simply remove the head, take out the inline filter, remove the installed mixer and place the new mixer on. Place the inline back into its original position and screw the head back onto the bottle. We strongly recommend the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus for mold remediation, fire damage restoration, and medical cleans. It works well with cleaning chemicals we sell such as Decon 30, Atomic Degreaser, SaniClean, and Extreme Heavy Duty Cleaner. Foaming such chemicals help increase the dwell time on the surface, creating a deeper penetration and more effective removal of mold, soot, and biocontaminants. Order today at agileequipment.com.au or ieqdirect.com.au. If you have any questions, contact us at 1300 092 647 or contact us through our website. Thanks.